So what I'm going to be showing you how to make is this duct tape. And if you know how to rip duct tape without using scissors, all you're going to need is duct tape. But if you can't rip it without using scissors, you're going to need scissors. So you're going to need your iPod too. And so what you're going to do first, that out. What you're going to do first is you're going to rip a piece off of your duct tape, about this much. If you have an iPad or a Kindle or something, you're going to need to make it bigger. But this is the way that I make them, so don't judge me if it's different. So, and then you're just going to place that down somewhere. Then you're going to take another piece. Make sure it's the same length, but if it's not, you can just cut it. Make sure it's about the same length. And then you're gonna pick this one up, and you're gonna put it like that so it looks like this, and then when you flip it, it's like that. And if you need to, you can cut your bottom if it doesn't match, and just throw that piece out because you're not gonna use it because you don't really need it. My fingers. And then you're gonna take another piece, and then you're gonna make sure. So then you're gonna flip it like if this side has been down, you're gonna flip that side to being up, and you're just gonna cut a piece of tape the same way that you did before. And then you're just see how there's just that little space there? You're gonna take this and you're gonna put it over it, because when you do it, you don't want space to be there. But you want to have one end so that when you flip it over, you can flip it and it'll stick to each other. So just all you're going to do is you're just going to keep doing that until it's probably about the size that you're going to need. And if you just see black, it's because I'm using my iPod right now. And if you see black, it's because I'm just measuring how much more I need to do. And I'll just tell you before I do it if I'm gonna do it. When I'm gonna do it, I'll tell you that I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna see right now. Probably